What is a carbon footprint and why does it matter? Imagine walking through a forest and noticing how much space your activities take up in the air and environment. That's kind of what a carbon footprint is. It's the total amount of greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere because of what humans do every day. These gases include carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. We produce them when we burn fossil fuels for energy, drive cars, make products, or even grow food. A typical person's carbon footprint is measured in tons of carbon dioxide equivalent each year. This means it accounts for all the greenhouse gases we emit, converted into the amount of carbon dioxide that would have the same warming effect. It's not just about individual actions, though. Companies, countries, and products all have footprints too. For example, a big factory might releases thousands of tons of greenhouse gases annually, while a single flight across the world can add a lot to a person's personal footprint. Why does this matter? Greenhouse gases trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere. This causes the planet to warm up, leading to climate change. When the climate changes, we see more extreme weather like floods, droughts, heat waves, and storms. These events can damage ecosystems, threaten wildlife, and even impact human health and economies. For example, rising temperatures can melt glaciers and raise sea levels, which can flood coastal areas and destroy habitats. Knowing our carbon footprint helps us see how our daily choices affect the environment. It shows which activities produce the most emissions. For instance, using renewable energy sources like solar or wind power can cut down emissions. Choosing to walk, bike, or use public transportation instead of driving reduces your personal footprint. Eating less meat and reducing waste also make a difference. Reducing our carbon footprint is a way to help slow down climate change. When more people and organizations take action, it adds up to a big difference. Governments around the world have agreed to limits on emissions through agreements like the Paris Agreement, aiming to keep global warming below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. In the end, understanding and lowering our carbon footprint is about taking responsibility for the impact we have on the planet. It's a simple step that can lead to healthier ecosystems, a more stable climate, and a better future for everyone. Every small change counts when it comes to protecting the natural world we all share.